from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.8% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
That concludes our major economic events review for today. Moving on to world financial news.
The dollar gained against the yen but dipped against the euro as investors waited on several key US economic data releases this week for further clues on Federal Reserve policy. While China's stimulus helped to propel the Australian dollar to a more than 19-month high. Gold eased, taking a breather after an historic rally driven by US monetary easing and heightened Middle East tensions, which put it on course for its best quarter since 2020. Spot gold was down 0.7%. Wall Street's main indexes were flat to lower in choppy trading, as investors paused after the previous week's rally and exercised caution ahead of numerous job reports and comments through the week from Federal Reserve policymakers, including Chair Jerome Powell.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
Japan's Jiben Bank manufacturing PMI will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 14 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 14 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.